for our HIAS that will be given. And the whole year, no, right after the rain, they will be employed sa City Tourism as our ambassadors for not just their tribes or not just their cultural community, but for Davao City.
Follow up lang, what's new for this year's HIAS? Unsay bago sir nga atong ang gidugang naaman?
So lang bago this year, no, na atay mga siyempre, we're still preserving the culture sa ato ang 11 ethno-linguistic groups. So nagin na siya, mawag itong focus gihapon nato i-showcase. Siguro in terms of bago, it's how we present it to our audience. So you'll know on August 13 kung sa siya. Plus we have a celebrity host that will be hosting HIAS sa Kadayawan, which should be revealed soon. So kana siya, and then nagandang mga laing pang surprises na that we're trying also to do for HIAS sa Kadayawan 2026. Thank you. Our winner, the HIAS sa Kadayawan 2026 will receive 200,000. So our HIAS Panaghiusa will receive 150,000 and our HIAS sa Kalambuan will receive 100,000. Yes, very good information. So, auto mga prizes.